Hello, this is the Journeys in Rebirth game design document. Norman Vineyard Jr. My voice was not, my mic didn't connect apparently, so I'm going to do a quick little voiceover. So this is my table of contents. See how I go. Pitch, high concept. Core mechanics, game balancing, entities, sound controls, user interface, characters, enemies, level, and progression, monetization, and then my conclusion. My pitch, in a nutshell, it is you start off on planet X5, where you are looking for your father and his team who went missing after they arrived on that planet. You will be having to repair bases, mine for minerals and resources, extracting the energy out of them to upgrade weapons and send them back to Earth. Also on the planet are a variety of hostile creatures and hostile animals that you will be able to hunt for nutrients, as well as fruits and berries that you can pick. Some might be good, some might be bad. So I go into the high concept here. I'll make it a little funny. If Minecraft and Halo had a baby, and that baby grew up and met Fortnite, this it, Journeys in Rebirth would be that baby, the product of those games put together. Um, I explained the basic game loop. Um, Explore environment, find bases, repair, turn power on, search for bases, mine minerals, hunt for food, survive hostile creatures. Um, Go into how to beat the game. Uh, we run into the core mechanics of the game balancing. It's gonna be a fairly well balanced game. There's a lot of challenges, but things like the weapons will constantly upgrade. Your player strength will get stronger. I go into a list of the entities in the game, and let's see. The sound. If you actually look at my document, take a second to go through those songs, that soundtrack list that I put together. That is fire. Fire soundtrack for this game. Controls. I did Xbox. I would actually do PS5 too. I gotta remember the numbers are changing. Xbox S and PS5, excuse me. The user interface would definitely want to go with something more sci-fi than what I did, but that was me learning how to get groovy with Photoshop. These other images are just AI images that I was able to read my document, and they AI was able to recreate some really thorough images for me to for me to visualize where I want to go with this game. This is a list of the enemies, aliens, and all that good stuff. Next, I go into the different levels. There's 17 different levels. Each one of them have something that you get, a reward or a lesson you learn out of that. My monetization, I went in a little in depth in on my paper, and like I said, in conclusion, this is gonna be the next big game. Wherever it lands, whatever console it lands on, it's gonna be awesome. And I think the next clip is, it was the images that I put together from AI. I also put together a little video, so I hope you enjoyed that.
You listen to Kaizen Beats.